How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason and this is Learn, Build, Repeat. Today on the channel we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Kreg 720 pocket hole jig. I've been wanting one of these for a while because I've been using one of these, like older, smaller versions that they have. And if you do a lot of pocket holes, you're gonna want something that has built-in dust collection, which this does have, and it's a lot more stable to work with. You know, I'm an amateur woodworker and pocket hole jigs, and pocket holes are pretty common when you're first starting out, so this is a pretty popular tool, which I hope is useful for some of you just starting out your journey. And I should mention that this video is not sponsored in any way. I bought this with my own money. I think it was like $149 on Amazon.com when I bought it. So today, let's unbox this and try and build something with it. Let's get to it.
All right, let's see what's inside. Owner's manual. Okay, here's the tool itself. Okay, not bad. Kreg, you know, usually is pretty good. There's some items of them I don't like this thing right here. I also have this thing. Terrible, absolutely terrible as a drill bit holder. But this thing seems pretty good, honestly. It's pretty sturdy, which is always good. It's heavy. Well, not too heavy, but it's got some heft to it. Okay, that's the locking mechanism. So the wood will slide in here, and then you go like that, and it should just lock into place. And I believe that there's wings somewhere too. What is this? It's a drill bit? Ah, there's the drill bit. Good. And a long and short, and here's the wings. So with all that aside, let's open this up. Oh, look at that, it even has built-in storage. Yeah, I saw that online. That is handy, that's very handy. So you can put your drill bit here, and it looks like you can put your bits here, and the little T thing here goes right in there. Oh, look at that, there's even more storage inside. This is the clamp for it. These are the stops. Good, good. Did this come out? No. That is clever. Okay, that's clever packaging. You can definitely see they actually put some real engineering work into this. Okay, so these just clip on. I was confused for a moment about why there are these holes here and why they're telling you to screw those, but that's if you want to screw it right to a surface, so which we don't want to do. So these just go in there and they slide forward. I'm actually a little bit disappointed by that. So there's not any mechanical fastener that's holding them in place on the inside. Like you can lift it up, see that? It just falls out. So there's just like these two, let me show you, let me open this up. So there's these two holes. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to slide the thing into the smaller hole and go up, but it just comes right out. That's a little disappointing, a little bit annoying to use. And because of that, I actually don't think I'm gonna use them. If there was a better way for it to like stay in place, then I would use them, but not for right now. I think that this right here, though, will provide plenty of space, you know, to support a piece of material though. Moving on. So the next really important thing I want to test on this is dust collection, because dust goes everywhere if you're doing lots of these. Okay, so looks like this faces forward and it just slides in, if I understand that correctly. And then this just goes over top. Oh yeah, look at that. So I'm using a Festool dust extractor, the green hose. So actually, I don't think I need the adapter. Yeah, I think this should work. It's so close. Oh, okay, there we go. Just barely fits. And then the other thing is the clamp. So there, it's clamped. You open the wings up, little wing things. Yeah, not bad. And then just clamp your stuff in there. Oh, what's this? Ah, that's the thickness of the material. Okay. Yeah, not bad. It's kind of relatively smooth. Yeah, not bad. And it doesn't mark the material. This is just pine, so it's pretty soft and it looks good. So then the other thing is the drill setup. So I'm gonna be testing this in 3/4 inch, and this thing has a set up on it right here. So 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1.5 inch. So you just slide this over and go to the correct depth that you want. Let's use the screws they give us. So these are meant for, pretty sure these are for 3/4 inch. So we're gonna be using a couple of these. And then when drilling, let's use the drill. And I kind of got roasted in the comments for not using a DeWalt, for using the wrong battery with the wrong brand for my Ryobi brad nailer review. So it's all in there. Let's test it out. Yeah, we'll just test it out, I guess. So you should just put that in, clamp it down, slide in the dust collector. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's honestly pretty good. When I was using this guy, the older version, right here, I noticed this guy would leave a lot of tear out around, and so you have to go back and like sand everything to make it clean. But that was incredibly clean just right off the cuff. I will be keeping this guy around though, because it's very useful for getting it into like tight situations where this guy won't fit. But okay, this is awesome. So let's go ahead and assemble these boards I've got set up right here. Set the drill to the lowest so I don't blow through these. There we have it. Honestly, pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Oh, you know what? There's a little bit right there, but that might be because the wood was bowed. Oh yeah, that sucked it in. Okay, so maybe 3 is the right setting for this thing then. But yeah, overall, it was pretty easy.
Okay, overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this Kreg 720 Pro pocket hole jig. The dust collection is excellent. It's super easy to clamp your workspace down. It's super easy to clamp your wood down onto it. And it's pretty sturdy, and it's nice that it clamps to your table, your workspace. However, these wings are pretty useless given how they attach. Maybe this is meant for like a permanent workspace. I'm not sure, but when I was trying to use these, yeah, no bueno, no good. Don't use them. I wish they were a little bit easier to like permanently attach to the space. Maybe if I just epoxy to them, maybe that would work, but I don't particularly want to do that. So overall, definitely a welcome addition to the shop, and I'm gonna be using this in the future for a lot of things. If you guys like this content and you guys like me unboxing stuff, please like and subscribe. And if you have any other tools you want me to unbox in the future, please just leave a comment letting me know. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.